Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. And you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter exponents today. The lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are exponents with decimal and fractional bases, exponents with integer bases, multiplication with integers, negative exponents, and multiplication and division with exponents. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 9 math. The chapter we're going to start with the chapter exponents. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is exponents with decimal and fractional bases. Okay, okay, the first one is 0.1 exponent 3, right? So an exponent tells you how many times its base is used as factor, right? Exponent tells you how many times you have to multiply the base by itself, right? 4 square equals 4 times 4. 4 cube equals 4 times 4 times 4. Same way you have to do 0.1 exponent 3, right? That means you have to use 0.1 as a factor 3 times. You have to do 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1, right? So the product is 0.001. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 0.1 exponent 4. So base is 0.1, right? 0.1 is the base and 4 is the exponent, right? So basically the exponent tells you how many times you have to use the base as a factor. That means you have to use 0.1 4 times, right? So when you multiply them, you have 4 decimal places, 0.001. The correct option is option number 1, that is 0.0001. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So you have to multiply 0.1 4 times. The correct option is option number 1. The next one is 0.2 square. So that means you have to multiply 0.2 2 times. Which is the correct option? That is 0.2 square. So 0.2 square is 0.04. The correct option is 0.04. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? That is 0.04. The next one is evaluate 0.01 exponent 4. Yes, the correct option is then you have to multiply 0.01 4 times, right? So it must have 8 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Option number 1 is the correct option because 0.01 have 2 decimal places, right? So you multiply it 4 times, so it must have 8 decimal places. The correct option is option number 1. The next one is zero point 0.2 times exponent 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is you have to multiply 0.02 4 times, 0.24 times, right? So that is 0.0016. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is zero point 0.1 exponent 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 0.001. The correct option is option number 2, that is 0.001. The next one is 0.02 exponent 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is option number 1, 0.00008. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is exponents with integer bases. So when you have the um, integer bases, you have to multiply the integers how many times? The exponent times, right? 3 exponent 2. So which is the correct option? You have to do 3 square. That means you have to do 3 times 3, which is the correct option. 3 times 3 is the correct option is 9. You have to multiply 3 2 times. So the correct option is 9. Got it? 2 exponent 3. So which is the correct option? That is 2 times 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. The correct option is 8. Evaluate 4 square. So which is the correct option? Sixteen it is. So the correct option is 16. Evaluate 3 exponent 3. So which is the correct option? That is 27. The correct option is 27. 10 square, which is the correct option? 10 square equals 10 times 10, right? And 10 times 10 equals 100, right? Yes, the correct option is 100. 4 cube. 4 cube equals the correct option is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. The correct option is 4 cube. That is 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 4 is, yes, that is 64. The correct option is 64. 3 square equals, the correct option is 9. 3 square equals 9. The next one is 2 square. 2 square equals, 2 square equals, yes it is 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Multiplication with exponents. So when we multiply with exponents, we need to add their, if they have the same basis, you need to add their exponents, right? Simplify, express your answer using positive exponent. So you have g exponent 9 times g exponent 3, right? You can see they have exactly same basis. G is the base and for both base is same. You need to add the exponents. You have to do 9 plus 3. So the correct option is g exponent 12. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, simplify. Express your answer using positive exponents. F exponent 3 times f exponent 7. So which is the correct option? Yes, they have same basis. You need to add their exponent. So that is f exponent. Then option number 2 is the correct option. So the thing you have to keep in your mind is if you have the same basis, you need to add the exponents, right? Okay, simplify. W exponent 8 times W exponent 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is W exponent 11. The correct option is W exponent 11. The next one is simplify R square times R4. Yes, that is r exponent 6. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? The next one is j exponent 9 times j exponent 4. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? They have exactly same basis. You need to add the exponents, right? So 9 plus 4 is 13. So that is j exponent 13, right? The next one is j exponent 5 times j exponent 5. So which is the correct option? That is j exponent 10. Got it? Simplify k exponent 3 times k exponent 6. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is k exponent 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Simplify j exponent 9 times g exponent 9 times g exponent 3. Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is g exponent 12. J exponent 4 times j exponent 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is j exponent 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is negative exponents. Let's just start with the example. Right? The expression is a fraction with a positive exponent, right? So you have a negative exponent here, that is 76 exponent negative 13, right? Whenever we have a base with a negative exponent, we can make the exponent positive by writing the frac by turning it into the fraction, right? That is 76 exponent negative 13. You can write it as 1 over. Keep this thick in your mind. If you have a negative exponent, you can write it as 1 divided by a exponent, and then in this case, the exponent is positive. Because you write the exponent from numerator to denominator, it would have a different sign. It would be positive. Got it? So you can write this one also, 1 divided by 76 exponent 13. See, now you have the positive exponent. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. So basically, if you are given with a negative exponent, you can make it positive by writing it in denominator, right? Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. Now you are given the positive exponent, that is 1 divided by 21 exponent 52, you have to write it with a negative exponent, right? How do we write? Now you have to write a negative exponent. So convert from denominator to numerator, right? 1 over 21 exponent 52, write it as 21 exponent negative 52, right? So that means you can do from here, convert from here to here, and you can do from here to here. That is 21 exponent negative 52. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is option number 121 exponent negative 52. The next one is write the expression as a fraction with positive exponent. So 4 exponent 8, how do we write it as a positive exponent? Yes, that is the second one. 1 over 4 exponent 8 is the correct option. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. So which is the correct option? You have to make the exponent negative. You can write it in numerator. That would be option number 159 exponent negative 25. Nothing is changed. No change in base, no change in exponent, just the sign of the exponent. Okay, the next one is write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. 76 exponent negative 13. So which is the positive exponent? How do you make the exponent positive? By writing the into denominator, right? So it would be option number option number 2 is the correct option. That would be 1 over 76 exponent 13. The next one is write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. So which is the correct option? 5 exponent negative 27. How do you write with positive exponent? Yes, that is 1 divided by 5 exponent 27. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. So which is the correct option? 4 exponent negative 9 equals. You have to write with positive exponent, right? So you can write it as 1 divided by 4 exponent 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is which is equal to 1 over 48 exponent 40. So which is the correct option? Which one is equal to this one? The correct option is 48 exponent negative 40. Option number. Yes, very good. B is the correct option. The next one is write the expression as a fraction with the positive exponent. 8 exponent negative 79. So which is the correct option? You can make the exponent positive by writing it in denominator, right? So that would be 1 over 8 exponent 79. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? But that would be 1 over 8 exponent 79. You can make the exponent positive by writing it into denominator. Okay, which is equal to 1 divided by 7 exponent 30. So which is the correct option? You are given 4 of the options, right? You can write the 7 1 over 7 exponent 30 with negative exponent. That is 7 exponent negative 3, right? You can write it in numerator. So the correct option is option number B, 7 exponent negative 30. The next one is which is equal to 1 divided by 2 exponent 42. So which is the correct option? Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 9 math. Chapter we're working on is exponents. The lessons we have covered today are exponents with decimals and fractional bases, exponents with integer bases, multiplication with exponents, and negative exponents, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.